Do you want to speak English fluently, but struggle with real-life vocabulary and sentence structure? Then this video is just for you. Today, we're going to break down a powerful editorial from Dawn News word by word, line by line, and translate it into simple, clear English and Urdu. You'll learn new vocabulary, understand grammar and context, and improve your sentence-making skills. This isn't just a translation, it's a complete spoken English training session using real newspaper English. So if you're serious about building fluency, expanding your word bank, and understanding real English used by educated professionals, stay with me till the end. Let's level up your English together.
Apropos the article, Is Education a Priority? The 16th of June, the writer illustrates how poor the quality of education is at all levels for most Pakistanis, barring the few that can study at more expensive private or elite government schools, colleges and universities. Surprisingly, however, he has failed to outline any solutions to the problems highlighted in the article. At present, our educational system does not allow our children to explore their potential fully, as the system is based on rote learning, devoid of any creativity and innovation. This lack of interest and motivation is one reason why so many drop out of school. Every individual is unique and born with certain inherent potential or talent, which helps in learning things easily and quickly. Psychologists call this aptitude. In Pakistan, however, the preferred method of instruction assumes that everyone can learn different materials in the same pedagogy, without assessment and evaluation of aptitudes of students of various grades and levels. Due to the lack of a learner-centered approach, along with the lack of counseling and guidance about their aptitudes, many students face uncertainty in their selection of subjects and career path. To meet this challenge, educational institutions must shift their focus from theoretical teaching to a learner-centered, practical approach, along with adequate counseling and guidance for students to understand their potential and aptitude, to choose the right career path, and to be empowered in their educational choices.
Let's ask some questions from this article for better comprehension and improve your speaking skills. Does the article provide any solution to the problem? Yes, the writer suggests changing the focus from theoretical teaching to practical and personalized learning. Why is counseling important in the education system? Counseling helps students understand their aptitudes and make the right decisions about their subjects and careers. What is the main issue discussed in this article? The article discusses the poor quality of education in Pakistan at all levels, except for a few elite institutions. What does the term barring the few mean in this context? It means except for the few students who can afford elite private or government institutions. What major flaw does the writer point out in the education system? The writer criticizes the system for relying on rote learning and lacking creativity and innovation. What is aptitude as explained in the article? Aptitude refers to the natural ability or talent a person has, which helps them learn quickly and easily. Why do many students drop out of school, according to the writer? Because of the lack of interest and motivation caused by a boring rote-based education system. What is the problem with the current method of instruction in Pakistan? The system assumes all students learn the same way, without assessing their individual aptitudes. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Speak Fluently for more powerful lessons like this. Every day, we break down real English from newspapers, conversations, and real-life situations so you can speak with confidence, improve your vocabulary, and build fluency step by step. Remember, consistency is the key to mastery. So don't miss the next video. I'll be back with another editorial breakdown that will make English simple and practical for you. See you in the next class, and until then, keep practicing and keep growing.